Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable rolls. First, gather all your ingredients. You'll need fresh, crisp vegetables like shredded carrots, thinly sliced cucumbers, and colorful bell peppers. Don't forget your rice paper wrappers and a shallow dish of warm water for softening them. A delicious dipping sauce, perhaps a savory peanut or tangy sweet chili, will complete your culinary creation. Now, let's prepare our vegetables. The key is to julienne them into thin, uniform strips, about 2 to 3 inches long, ensuring they are easy to roll and bite-sized. Next, take one rice paper wrapper and quickly dip it into warm water for about 15 to 20 seconds until it becomes pliable. Lay it flat on a clean surface, then artfully arrange your prepared vegetables in the center, leaving space on the edges. The rolling technique is crucial for a perfect vegetable roll. Begin by folding the bottom edge of the softened wrapper up and over your vegetable filling, tucking it in snugly. Then, fold in both the left and right side edges towards the center, creating a neat envelope shape. Finally, roll the entire package tightly from the bottom upwards, forming a firm, cylindrical roll that holds its shape beautifully. Your delicious homemade vegetable rolls are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a creamy peanut sauce or a zesty sweet chili. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours to maintain freshness. For those who love efficient meal prep, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your healthy and flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.